Here they come. They're off and trotting. Wired Hanover going out for the lead. Lindy's on fire, showing speed. Towards the inside, My Spitfire K. Beatrice settles in fourth, parked fifth, and moving up. Storm Winds on the move. Then towards the inside, Photo Cash, followed by Muscle Image. Trailing the field, Coco's Dream. Coco's Dream was rough through the first turn. It's Wired Hanover showing the way, driving up on the outside. Here comes Storm Winds to challenge. Those two now heads apart at the quarter and 30 seconds flat. Up the backstretch, Storm Winds trying to clear Wired Hanover. These two now locked in a head-and-head duel. Racing in third, Lindy's on fire, off stride, Storm Winds. Storm Winds made a break. Wired Hanover by 2. Lindy's on fire second. My Spitfire K is third. Beatrice fourth. Towards the inside, Photocast moves up fifth. Muscle Image sixth. Park seventh. Back trotting Storm Winds. Now he just made a break again. Coco's Dream moving up. They went by the half in 59 and a fifth. Wired Hanover brings them around the turn, a length and a half on top. Lindy's on fire in the pocket second. Here's Beatrice, now driving up third. And right behind that one comes Muscle Image fourth. Towards the inside, My Spitfire K, no place to go. Then to the outside, Photo Cash. Coco's Dream made a break and drops back. Far back, Stormwind trotters are in the lane. Beatrice comes off the turn and passes 3/4 and 129 and 1. Beatrice, the leader. Wired Hanover trying to fight back along the inside, and Wired Hanover is coming back. Beatrice hanging between horses, off stride, Muscle Image. Muscle Image made a break. It's Wired Hanover, the leader. Beatrice racing in second. Here comes My Spitfire K. They're coming to the wire. It's Wired Hanover and the birthday boy, Kyle Wilfong, in front. My Spitfire K second. Beatrice was off stride through the wire third. Lindy's on fire fourth. In tonight's fourth race, number 2, Wired Hanover finished first. 1, My Spitfire K second. 4, Beatrice third. 4, Lindy's on fire. Make that number 3, Lindy's on fire fourth. Numbers on the board: 2, 1, 4, 3. Please hold all tickets until the results of the fourth race are posted official. Stewards have posted the inquiry sign. This is a steward's inquiry concerning number 4, Beatrice, for possible violation of the braking rule nearing the wire. At this point, it does not concern the unofficial top 2 finishers, but rather concerns 4, Beatrice, possible violation of the braking rule nearing the wire. Please hold all tickets. Returning to the winner's circle, the unofficial winner, 2, Wired Hanover. Winning for the third time in a row here at Hawthorne. Wired Hanover, owned by James Petroselli and Pitbull Stable Limited Liability Corporation. John Zdawistowski, the winning trainer. And Kyle Wilfong, the winning driver. We'll say happy birthday to Kyle as he's celebrating a birthday today. He celebrates it with a win behind Wired Hanover. Tonight's fourth race was the Western Catholic Union Night at the Races. Representatives from that group in the winner's circle now saying happy birthday to Kyle Wilfo. Racing fans, the stewards have removed the inquiry sign, and the result will stand. Stewards have determined that 4 Beatrice did make a break, but complied with the braking rules. Therefore, no action will be taken. The result will stand. Tonight's fourth race is official. Return prices and rundown in a moment.